Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular job notifications, here I started one Telegram group and the link I kept in the description box of this video. So the interested candidates may join in that group, guys. And in this video we are going to see the faculty recruitment notification from one of the state government college, and you may apply from any state. Okay, and there is opportunity for the non-UGC net as well as the UGC net qualified candidates, and here the salary is up to 30,000 rupees per month. So before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy Electronic Science as well as a General Paper 1 educator. So we will see one small announcement. The candidates who are waiting for the UGC NET Electronic Science complete course. So here from Feb 1st 2021 onwards, for the new batch, the course is going to start from the Unacademy. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. Soon the Unacademy plus subscription plans are going to increase, that you may check down current price and the new price. So from the 1st Feb onwards, the prices are going to increase. So before increase, take the subscription plan, guys. And for the iconic subscription plans also, here the prices are there. So these prices are going to get effective from the 1st Feb onwards. And now while coming to the present content of the video, it is Rajiv Gandhi University of Knowledge Technologies, and the notification released on Feb 1st 2021. So here you may check down the detailed notification for filling up of guest faculty as well as the guest lab staff positions. So you may check down RGUKT Basar inviting the qualified and eligible candidates for the walk-in interview for filling up of following guest faculty as well as the guest laboratory staff positions on purely temporary basis. So the interested candidates have to fill up the online application form and attend the interview as per the schedule given here. So first we will see the department and the essential qualification and the remuneration per month. Coming to the Department of Engineering, Civil, Mechanical and Metallurgical and Material Engineering, here the essential qualification required is MTech, okay, BE BTech and ME MTech. And next the remuneration is 30,000 rupees per month. Coming to the Sciences and Humanities, so Chemistry 21, Mathematics 18, Physics 13, English 10, Management 1 and Telugu 6. So for this one, 55% in the post graduation, 50% for the SC, ST and PH. So with the NET, SLET or SET or PhD must be there, and candidates registered for the PhD prior 2009 shall be exempted from the requirement of SLET, SET or NET qualification. And coming to the management, the master's degree is enough and 2 years relevant experience. So here the UGC NET qualification is not required for the management. And for this non-engineering category, 30,000 rupees per month. And coming to the non-teaching here, guest laboratory assistant are there, chemical, computer science. So candidates with BTech or BE, and electrical and electronics engineering, mechanical and metallurgical. So candidates with BE or BTech. Okay, and next chemistry 7 and physics 4 and English 3. Okay, so here 15,000 rupees per month. And coming to the guest laboratory technician, so here the chemical engineering and civil and ECE and EEE, so ITI or the diploma, fine, 12,000 rupees per month. So for your reference purpose, I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video, so you may check down. And here few general instructions are given. The appointment are purely on temporary basis till the end of academic year for a period of 6 months. So these posts can be terminated at any time without prior intimation and do not carry any experience also. Fine. And the candidate should possess the minimum qualification on or before the date of advertisement. The interested candidates and the eligible candidates can apply online at the following link. So for the sciences and humanities, so here the link is provided, and for the engineering and management, here the link is provided, and for guest laboratory assistant and the laboratory technician, here the links are provided, and all these are the Google form link, guys, that you may check down here. So you need not to pay any fee here. That means it is completely no fee, no exam. You can directly attend for the walk-in interview. Okay, that is flexibility is there. But the contractual basis it is, okay, only the guest term basis. Okay, it's not a permanent one. And candidates are strongly advised to visit the university website for any addendum or corrigendum, and the modification etc. will be notified on the university website only. Okay, so in case of any dispute or ambiguity that may occur in the process of selection, the decision of university shall be final. And there is no right to claim for the regularization or extension of the period, fine, at any circumstances, and TADA will not be provided to the candidates for appearing the interview. And coming to the selection procedure, coming to the guest faculty, written test and interview or written test or interview. That means based upon the qualifications, few candidates may be directly called for the interview and few candidates may be called for the written test, and then followed by one interview will be there. And coming to the guest lab assistant and guest lab technician, written test, trade test and interview, or written test or trade test or interview. So here also the same thing, based upon the qualification, they may directly call for the interview or else written test. Fine. So here the venue is given, the position guest faculty. So coming to the department, Telugu, Physics, Chemistry, Mathematics and English. So the date of interview is 5th, 6th, 8th, 9th and 10th Feb, morning 9:30 a.m. onwards. And the venue is Training and Placement Building, RGU KT, Basar. It's Telangana State. So attend the interview as per the schedule with all original certificates, whatever the publications you are having, and 4 copies of resume. And coming to the guest faculty in the civil, mechanical and metallurgical, the date of interview will be intimated through email. That means not yet fixed right now. Okay, they will intimate through the email if you once register through online. I mean, if you fill up these Google forms, okay, based upon your email ID, they will intimate. The same thing to the guest laboratory assistant and guest laboratory technician also. Coming to the nature of duty, the selected candidates have to available on all working days of semester, and their salary will be calculated on the basis of biometric machine attendance. So abide to work assigned by the university. And coming to the important dates, online application start from 1st Feb 2021 and the closing date is 4th Feb 2021 for the guest faculty in sciences and humanities, and the closing date of online application for the remaining 8th Feb 2021. Fine. The preference will be given to the higher qualified candidates. Okay, university reserves the right to fill or not to fill all the positions. Fine. So it is a complete detailed notification, guys. Okay. So I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video, and please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I'm going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I'm going to explain as per your understanding levels or not.